Hello, today we're going to learn how to use the Events tab in the side menu of your control panel to manage tickets. You will select Events and then Events or Courses. Here you will see the list of registered events. To view the details of each event, you can click the I button. In this dashboard, you can see all of the event information, the subscriptions that have already been made, how many tickets have been used, the subscription limit, and the total amount of paid tickets that have already been collected. In the Subscriptions tab, you can see all subscriptions that have been made and click on the I button of each one to view details as well as cancel it altogether. You can click on the drop-down arrow next to the I button to edit the information if necessary, as well as cancel here too. In the Payments tab, you can access any payments and make new entries as well. To make a new entry, click on the green New Registration button. You can select a user already registered in the database, select the type of ticket, the name of the ticket user, if it is paid or not, and which payment method. In the case of an application being made directly in the system, we only allow cash payment. Going back to the side menu, you'll see that there is a Reports tab under Events. Go ahead and click this tab and you'll see that there are 3 different reporting tools that you can use. Details of a specific event, which allows you to see everybody that registered to an event and in-depth information about the registrants, like what ticket type they had, payment method, user type, and their responses to the dynamic form, if it was added when the event was created. My Events Overview, which lets you see more general information about an event, such as the total number of registrants, how many people have attended, and what the percentage of males versus females were at the event. And Payments, where you can see very specific revenue information for each event. All of the reports work relatively the same, so we'll do one example. Let's do the My Events Overview option. You'll search for the event that you want information about, and you'll fill out any fields that might be necessary for other reports and then click Search. A list of records that are relevant to your search parameters will display below for you to look over. You have the option to toggle column visibility and export all of the information as a CSV or PDF, or you can print it out if you want. The Events feature also allows you to create different ticket types based on the needs of your event or course. See our other tutorial videos for more details. Thanks, and talk to you soon.